Hello, it's Jeannie back here from Dora Creation. And if you would like to see some iPhone camera hidden secrets, then watch this space. I'm here to give you hints and tips on how to use your phone and explore your creativity. For now, we're going to focus on the iPhone, and they've got great lenses that allow you to zoom in and zoom out and gives you great control. Some hints and tips. Volume 2 for the iPhone. This is pretty good. You can get much better effects by zooming in and out slowly, and I'm going to show you how. So firstly, if you can open your camera app, and you can do this for either camera or video. Then tap your 1x symbol, and then you can rapidly jump to your 2x magnification. It's not great for videos, it works best on cameras, but just so that you know that it's there. Or you can press and hold the 1x symbol, and then gently slide the zoom function in and out. This gives a real cinematic effect to your videos, if that's what you're going to be using. This gives you a much better effect in photography, but just so that you know that you can use it for video as well. So that's a brief guide on how to zoom like a pro on the iPhone. If you'd like to know more hints and tips, please feel free to go over to the website or YouTube channel